This is the first type of property that I would avoid, especially. I'll put a caveat on this. Look, if you're just sitting on tons and tons of money, you inherited millions of dollars, you can pour your money into whatever you want, right? Because you can park enough cash and just sit it there and get some type of return based on that. You don't necessarily need to take risks. There are different strategies for growing wealth and preserving it, or relocating it, putting it into a better tax wrapper or a position to decrease your tax liability, which real estate will do. So there is a bit of that. But if you're not in that bucket, if you're trying to get it out of the mud, if you're trying to build a retirement portfolio, something where you can step out of the hustle and bustle and you're just getting started, high-end luxury rentals is not quite it. I would argue that there are some Airbnb strategies that would fall into this. When I say high-end luxury rental, it'll be something that is very expensive in an A-class neighborhood, and there's a special way to monetize it. You have to either get top of market rent, whatever they are today, which are variable, which we'll talk about, or you have to do some type of specialty strategy to monetize. If you are in that bucket, it's a dangerous bucket to be in. It's a dangerous strategy to start with, especially if you're new. The mistakes, for starters, there's thin cash flow margins on these deals, which a lot of people don't get. Even though the rents are high, the expenses can be substantially higher, we'll call it, than your typical traditional rental property, your property that you're going to cash flow like a king on, which we'll talk about. So you have these thin margins. You have highly rate sensitive renters. So you have people who are sensitive to price movements. They're losing their jobs first. They're getting automated out. So these rents are not stable. These are not strong rents. These are not durable rents. I'll give you a durable rent story in just a second. Somebody may need to remind me, but they're not durable. They're the first to go. You're taking appreciation gambles on these assets.
Okay, let's go.